Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the date and time of on an iPhone photo or video. So let's get started. First thing is you need to find the Photos app and open it up. And once you open it up, let's go ahead and find a photo that we'd like to check the date and time. I will choose this one as an example. And at the very top, it's going to display your date and time that this photo was taken or saved on this device here, just like that. Now, if you don't see it right here, you can also just simply press and hold to swipe up, and it's going to show you the details here as well. You can see here the day, the actual time, and the day of the week as well, all listed right there. So that's how you can check the date and the time for iPhone photo. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. I'll see you guys next time.